I hope you all had a fun morning. Well, guess what time it is? It's nap time. Today I'm going to put Buddy to sleep again because you know what? It's his nap time too. And my teddy bear too. He's going to go to sleep too. All right. Let's read Big Bird's Nighty Night. When it's time to go to sleep and rest your head, do you sometimes need your favorite toy to snuggle with you in bed? I snuggle with my buddy and my teddy bear. What do you snuggle with? Elmo has a bunny who helps him get to sleep. The bunny's soft and comfy and never makes a peep. When it's time for bed, Big Bird can sleep almost anywhere, so can I. As long as he always has his favorite teddy bear. Bird snuggles with his blankie, oh so very tight. It keeps him safe and warm all throughout the night. Now it's time for you to say night, night. What will you snuggle with today? Look what Cookie Monster, what do you think he's snuggling with? I bet you can't guess. What do you think? How silly is that? He's sleeping with his cookies. What are you gonna sleep with? I'm gonna sleep with my teddy bear. And I'm gonna sleep with my puppy. Have a nice nap, everyone. See you in the afternoon, okay? Nap good. Sweet dreams.